So I'm now going to show how to use the corded wavy edge foot to make a corded wavy edge. Now what is typically used is this lightweight fishing line, and if you can see it on camera, it doesn't have much of a curve to it, and we want to have a wavy curvy edge. So I took a wooden dowel and taped down the fishing line, then hit it with the blow dryer all around really well, not to the point where it would be melted, and then let it cool off. So now I have this very curly, very wavy fishing line that I can use for this project. I have my machine set up in 3-thread rolled edge stitch. And I'm going to take the foot off because it is easier to get this curly Q fishing line threaded on the foot before you put it on the serger. And there is a hole here that you thread the fishing line through. And you want to get a pretty good amount sticking out because the fabric will start to gather, and then when you pull the gathers out, you don't want to pull the fishing line completely out of your beautiful wavy, corded wavy edge. Get the foot back on. There we go. And just make sure that I have got to get the fishing line under the foot. That looks good. And then you want fabric that is going to stretch along the rolled edge. And then I'm going to just start stitching my 3-thread rolled edge, making sure that the fishing line's getting stuck in there, getting encased in there. There. And you want to again leave a pretty substantial tail so that you don't pull the fishing line out of the 3-thread rolled edge as you're smoothing out the fabric. Okay, so now we have this nice curvy edge. Of course, if this were a real project, I would have used blue thread, not white, but I wanted you to be able to see the stitching. So you can see how you get this nice curly edge, and you can stretch it a little bit and make it, change the shape if you like, but you end up with this nice curly effect on the edge of your project or garment, whatever it is.